The Toyota Chaser JZX100, a true hidden gem of the JDM world. While it's often overshadowed by the likes of the Skyline and Supra, the JZX100 is one of Toyota's most legendary cars. With its turbocharged power, rear-wheel drive setup, and unmistakable styling, this car was built for enthusiasts. But for some reason, it never got the same global attention. So why doesn't the Chaser JZX100 get the love it truly deserves? And is it time to finally recognize it as one of the best JDM sedans ever made? Let's find out. First, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the JZX100 is powered by the 1JZ GTE engine, 180 horsepower, and 318 pound-feet of torque. That may not sound like much by today's standards, but remember, this car was made for the late 90s, and at the time, it was a beast. The 1JZ is known for its strong reliability, smooth power delivery, and incredible tuning potential, making it a favorite among the drift and street racing communities. What really set the JZX100 apart, though, was its driving experience. With its rear-wheel drive layout, stiff suspension, and aggressive handling, the Chaser JZX100 was a car that was ready for action. Whether you were sliding it through corners or hitting the straightaways, it had the balance, precision, and confidence that made it an absolute blast to drive. And let's not forget about its manual transmission option, giving you that pure connection to the car that enthusiasts crave. The Chaser JZX100 was also loaded with features. While it might not have the flashy tech of modern cars, it came with all the creature comforts you'd expect from a Toyota of that era. Power windows, AC, and even a premium audio system in some trims. But what makes the JZX100 special is how all these features are wrapped in an understated yet aggressive sedan package. It wasn't trying too hard, it just looked cool and had the performance to back it up. But why hasn't it earned the same recognition as the Supra or Skyline? Well, the Chaser JZX100 was never sold in the US or Europe, meaning it remained somewhat of a Japanese-only car. In fact, it was primarily aimed at the Japanese market and enjoyed immense popularity with drifters and car enthusiasts. But because it was never widely available in the West, it didn't get the same global fame. Another reason the Chaser is underrated? It was simply overshadowed by more famous JDM legends. The Skyline GTR was all the rage at the time, and the Supra had a massive cult following. But the Chaser's ability to deliver incredible performance without the same attention-grabbing flash made it a sleeper. And for some, that's what makes it so great. So, should you buy a Toyota Chaser JZX100? If you're looking for a unique JDM sedan with incredible tuning potential, amazing driving dynamics, and a following that's only growing, the answer is yes. The Chaser JZX100 might be a little underappreciated, but for those in the know, it's one of the best-kept secrets in the JDM world. What do you think? Is the Toyota Chaser JZX100 an underrated legend? Or does it deserve to stay in the shadows of its more famous JDM siblings? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car content.